get ready with me at the beach. The lighting is a little dark on me, but it's okay. I'm gonna work with it. Can't beat the background, so I'm going to get ready. Doing my makeup, gonna go out, get some lunch, or actually dinner. I can't keep track of time right now because I'm on vacation, and who keeps track of time during vacation? Not me. So I'm gonna start with some lip balm. And I use Vaseline, the original. So good. I have my little makeup bag here with my little mini goodies, my travel goodies. So I'm going to start with my mini e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, right? Power Grip, yep. And I'm just gonna apply this on my face. Oh my gosh, the lighting may not be that great, but hopefully you guys can see the process and, you know, work with me on it because I wish the lighting was better. With this primer, I also like to do this to my face and just kind of get that grip going, you know. Do you guys also like my nails? So cute. Got them done for vacation. My cousin did them. Some Gel X action going on. I am debating if I want to do eyeshadow today, but in the meantime, as I figure it out, I'm going to be doing my brows using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. So I think I made up my mind and I'm not going to do eyeshadow. I kind of want to go more for a natural look, so I'm going to go straight with foundation. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Soft Glam, what is that, finish? So it's the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation in the shade Fair Neutral. I'm going to apply this all over my face, just like that. And now we're just going to blend with a beauty blender. Get the plane. Ah! I feel like I haven't uploaded a long YouTube video like these and I miss them. I think it's time for me to get back to them. I've just been uploading a lot of short, like reels and shorts on here, and it's fun, but I don't get to talk like how I'm doing right now. And if you wonder where I'm at based on the gorgeous background, I am on vacation with my family in the Bahamas. It's kind of hard to see if I'm blending well with this lighting. Let me turn around and see if this is working out for me. Hold on. Okay, yeah, it's working out. For concealer, I am using the NARS. Whoa, is that? I think it's supposed to, yeah. I'm using the NARS, and this one is in the shade Light 1 Chantilly. And I get the mini ones, you know, because you're on vacation. I don't want to be bringing a lot of full-size stuff, just for travel friendly, travel size, so it fits in your makeup bag. So I'm just gonna apply this like this. I'm not gonna put too much. And you know what? I'm gonna do the whole face like that. Now to set my face with some setting powder, I'm going to be using the Kosas, and this one is Airy shade Cloud Set. And then just set my whole face with it, especially on the areas that I am most oily. I love this powder, it's so nice. Now for blush, I'm going to be using the MAC So Natural Glow Play Cushiony Blush. So this one I use my fingers and then just dab it all over my face. So the battery died on my little gadget that I had right here. Hopefully the audio isn't as bad because I've been kind of struggling with it throughout this video. So hopefully it's not as bad as we progress towards the end. So a lot going on, lighting, audio. I'm working with what I got, guys. I'm working with what I got. Now for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. This is the shade Shady Biz. What I've been using as a mirror, I'm using as a bronzer. I'm just gonna apply a little bit, mainly on my forehead and a little bit on the jawline area, just because I want to do something natural, not too crazy. And I already applied blush here, and for some reason I feel like just bronzer on the forehead and on the jawline is more than enough, because I feel like I already have enough product here. That's just how I think I look presentable or feel comfortable in, you know. You guys do makeup the way you like it, you know, how it makes you happy. Just like that. I am noticing that I mentioned that I bring a lot of minis, but the only full-size products I brought that are really easy to carry as well are the powdered products. I didn't bring any cream products. I don't know, I thought it was going to be more hot out here, so I thought if I bring cream products, my face is just gonna melt off. So powder products is the way to go. But amazingly, the weather is quite nice out here, and this is April, so the weather in the Bahamas is quite nice. It's not too like hot where you just can't deal with the heat. So if you ever want to travel to the Bahamas, April, the month of April is a pretty good month because it's not too heavy in heat. Now going with mascara, I have the Benefit Fan Fest, one of my favorites, one of my go-tos, and I'll show you guys the brush. It's really nice on the lashes. As you see, it's really good brush. I feel like lighting is just getting worse and worse as we end the video. I don't know if I should just do a lip liner. I mean, you can't go wrong with just a lip liner, can you? Something natural? What should I do with this one? Makeup by Mario? Actually, I'm gonna do this one. So I'm gonna do the Makeup by Mario. This is the lip pencil in Rich Mauve, and then it comes with the Rosewood Glow. I got this as the birthday gift at Sephora, so I'm just gonna put these two on. Just like that. Okay, and this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Also, my apologies again on the not so great lighting and audio. I'm working with what I got, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys been up to, what plans do you guys have for the summer, and all that great stuff. And I will see you guys on my next video, and I will be planning on uploading a vlog, or I guess like a little short video of my trip. So be in tune for that, and I'll see you next time. I mean, come on, I can't beat this view.